Snow day means something else if you're a farmer than if you're a school kid.
Good morning. Welcome back to the Tomarosa. As you can see, we got some more snow last night. I think we got about 5 to 6 inches and it's still snowing. So we're going to show you what that looks like here on the farm as we do morning chores and get going with snow removal.
Good morning, girls. Hear the babies back there. The first thing, even before milking, is clear the pad. We got a couple of big piles of snow building up, but because this is the door to the milking parlor. And then we do throw some sand out as well, just to make sure nobody slips. Dodie says hi. The sand is in a bucket. She thinks there's something else other than sand in this bucket. Get right here in front of the water tank. Behind me is our driveway entrance, and this is one of the trickier places to plow just because you have the interface with the road, so you got to watch for traffic, and it's on fill, so you can't go off the driveway, otherwise bad things happen. But I got it opened up pretty good. Make sure I plow some area for the mailman. Just got to do a little more cleaning up. And this area will be good, and I'll head back to the farm. You can sit at the picnic table if you like. I'll tell you, I am getting tired of moving snow. I'm running out of room to put it. So we had this big snow today. We're supposed to have some more snow tonight. And then by this weekend, we might get a little warm up. And then next week is supposed to be pretty dry. So looking forward to that. Done shoveling, done plowing, not done yet. We gotta brush off the cars because if this starts thawing and then it refreezes, it just becomes a solid block of ice over your car.
I would just like the record to reflect that Stacy's clearing off our vehicles that we drive. If you notice back there, there's our blue Kenworth. Seems to be doing nice and dandy underneath cover this winter.
What did snow day entail for us today? We left the house at 7. We started clearing snow. We did morning chores. I plowed snow. Virginia processed milk. We bottled. Came back out. Shoveled snow. Cleared off the cars. And now it's about 2:30. Probably take a little over an hour break. And then we start chores all over again. And probably more snow removal. Where we're located, we typically do have snow in the winters. We like the snow. But this is a little atypical for what we normally get. Normally we'll get a good snowfall. It'll stick around for a while. It'll melt off. Then we'll have another snowfall. And it'll stick around for a little while and then it melts off. And we kind of just go like that through the winter. Whereas this has been cold enough, long enough, it just keeps accumulating, which is not very common. Not a typical snowfall, but it sure is pretty though. It is pretty. Thank goodness for the boot dryer. Dries gloves too. It's about time to go do chores again. And it's snowing again.